at you right now. It's take me like how can speak so God splash on my plate.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashida and I hope you are doing great. And as you can see from the title, I am here today with another video on how to make chicken. This is a very easy recipe, so I hope you enjoy it. All the information will be in the description box below. And don't forget to please leave me a like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I used 1 kilo of chicken, that's drumsticks mixed with wings. And we are going to start off by seasoning this chicken. So just watch the video and see the seasoning that I used. So now that you're done adding all the seasoning, you're going to go on and mix everything together. So you want to mix that well, and then we are going to have this marinade. I actually marinated mine for 12 hours, but you can do 4 to 6 to 12, it depends. So this is our chicken after 12 hours of marinating. And now we're going to start frying the chicken. So you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking fat to a pan, heated pan, and start adding your chicken. So now you're going to keep frying the chicken just to make sure all the seasoning that we added mixes well with the chicken. So you can see the chicken is starting to cook. It looks better than it was before. And now we are going to add our onions and keep stirring everything, keep frying so that the onions turn a little bit gold brown, and then we go in and add other stuff. At this point you can actually smell the flavors of the onions, cooked onions. So now we are going to go in and add the green pepper and our spring onions, and then keep frying until this is also a little bit cooked. So right now we've finished frying everything. We are going to add our garlic, and the reason why I add it after all the other ingredients is because I want the flavor to be fresh. And I actually did not add a lot of seasoning during the cooking because that was already done in the marinade. So now we are going to be adding our cooking cream. Now this cooking cream is dairy, so if you are allergic to dairy, I don't know what you can use. Maybe you can use almond milk. I've never tried almond milk, but I guess maybe you can try it. So the glass I used is 200 mils, so you can add that, and then I also rinse it with 200 mils of water, the same glass, and I added that to the cooking and keep stirring. So when everything boils, you're going to add 200 mils of tomato paste, and this paste is really easy to make at home. You just skin your tomatoes, put them in a blender, beat them to a paste. That's it. Now you want to leave it on medium heat for like 15 to 20 minutes. It will be actually ready. Because this chicken is soft, it doesn't take long to get ready, and all that cooking we've been doing made it ready. So you just have to leave it for a few minutes for the tomatoes to also cook, and that will be it. So our dish is looking so ready. We are going to go ahead and serve it. Now you can serve this chicken with rice on the side. You can make brown rice or white rice. I prefer with white rice. This is like the easiest thing to cook. So just go on and serve your chicken. Take your time on your chicken, and the rice, you don't need to take a lot of time. So as you can see, it's all looking nice and ready. Our dish looks delicious alongside the white rice. I added some vegetables on the side. Those are steamed vegetables, just to give it a very nice look for presentation. If you present your food well, it makes someone want to eat it, even if they don't have their appetite. They'll be like, I'll just try it because it looks nice. Yeah, so make sure you keep in accountability how you present your food. And that is the video. All the information will be in the description box below, guys. Like I said, please don't forget to like the video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell. And until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah.
Wanna get you right now, please take me like bomb. Heart gon' speed so God splash on my plate. Wanna get you 당장 매일 head 답답해. Wanna leave cannon or dash on your flavor splash on my brain. I dash on your flavor came me so bad. You're such a splash, splash on my brain. I dash on your flavor came me so bad. You're such a splash.
Dancing on my ass like a move. Bad rat shit in my shoes. Pull up to your bed and never lose. Sip it that we're getting loose. See me now, no can take you off. Go time, beat, please take that off. Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car. Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car. I get the cash and I go hard. Spend on the cash on the fashion. Ain't gotta talk all the shit at all. Show this just let everybody talk. Show this just let everybody talk. Ooh, swerving with you. Got me crazy, oh damn, I'll keep it on doing. 어젯밤만 네 생각에 잠도 못 일어, yeah. 어젯밤만 내 생각에 뭔가 잘못했어. Just care about it cause 곤란하니까 make me dizzy. 알라 머리 아파 지금도 너 생각해. Yeah, yeah, just wanna keep going, oh yeah. 오늘의 약속이, oh yeah. 있어도 break that shit 아직 갈길 멀어 우리 사이에. You're so bulletproof 안기고 싶어 니뽀 지금 앉아 가사 쓰는 중 너 생각에 잠겨, yeah, yeah.
Crank me so bad 이건 내가 위험해 Don't tell my friends Check you I'm gon' dash Crank me so bad 이건 내가 위험해 Don't tell my friends Check you I'm gon' dash Wanna get you right now Please take me like bomb Heart gon' speed so God splash on my baby Wanna get you 당장